In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record 401k rollover to traditional IRA. We'll walk through this in TurboTax 2022 so your rollover is reported correctly as a non-taxable event. Start by gathering your tax documents. You'll want your Form 1099-R, which reports the distribution from the 401k, any Form 5498 you may have received for your traditional IRA, and any records from your financial institution confirming the rollover. Keep these within reach. You'll be entering details exactly as they appear, including any federal tax withholding shown on the 1099-R. Open TurboTax 2022 on your computer. Either open your existing return or start a new one if you haven't begun. If TurboTax 2022 isn't installed yet, pause here. Use the link in the description to download and install it, then continue. Inside your return, go to the Federal section and choose Wages and Income. Scroll down to the Retirement Plans and Social Security area and select IRA, 401k, Pension Plan Withdrawals, 1099-R. This is where TurboTax records retirement distributions and rollovers. Click Add a 1099-R. Now enter the information exactly as shown on your form. Take your time with the payer name, the payer identification number if it appears, the gross distribution amount, any federal withholding, and the distribution code in box 7. Matching what's on the form prevents IRS mismatches, so double-check digits and cents. After entering, review the distribution details on the summary screen. Confirm the gross distribution amount, the taxable amount displayed, the distribution code, and any withholding. For many rollovers, the code indicates a rollover, and the taxable amount will later adjust once you tell TurboTax what you did with the funds. TurboTax will then ask what you did with the money from this distribution. Choose I move the money to another retirement account and continue. This tells the software you didn't simply cash out. Next, select I rolled over all of this money to a traditional IRA. If TurboTax asks for the rollover amount, enter the full amount that was rolled over as shown in your documents. When that's done, head to your Form 1040 preview. In the Retirement Income area, verify that the amount is reported properly and marked as a rollover rather than a taxable withdrawal. You should see the notation indicating a rollover and the taxable amount adjusted accordingly. Finally, use the Review section to check for any errors. Follow the remaining prompts to finish and file your return when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you record your 401k rollover to a traditional IRA with confidence in TurboTax 2022.